Talk with Jeep Speed Shop. Here we have a 2010 Jeep JK Unlimited that we did a 5.7 liter VVT Truck Hemi 8-speed conversion. Carb legal, of course. Dual battery. This one has the electric fan, the Camaro fan setup. So there's kind of a shot of that of the room, just barely enough room, but it works. Best fan yet ever. So just kind of a quick summary of a 5.7 VVT Truck Hemi in a 10 JK Unlimited, running PSC system. Also big bore box, just barely fits, but it fits. Also using our hood, the cowl hood that we use. Here's the 8-speed, the shifter setup. All right, well, another walk around of a Jeep JK Unlimited that we put a 5.7 Truck Hemi in. We also added the Offroad Only sway bar in the rear. Offroad Only sway bar in the front. Old man Emu BP-51s, bypass shocks front and rear. So this Jeep turned out really nice. Awesome driver. Really good Jeep. All right, Jeep Speed Shop.